It's a conflict of interest,
Right.
For sure, and it's just nobody regulated it. They allowed it to happen.
Yeah.
It should be, if you're working for the FDA, should never be able to leave and go to a pharmaceutical drug company where you then make incredible amounts of money. That seems like a conflict of interest. Like, you would be willing to do, if you had had conversations with these people and they'd say, listen, you're nice to us in a couple of years, golden parachute, you want a yacht? I think you need a yacht. And next, you're a millionaire, which is bizarre that you can do that. It's just as bizarre as the whole insider trading in Congress. You know that a bill's going to get passed. You know this bill's going to affect a stock. You gamble high on that stock. The bill gets passed, and you make a lot of money. That seems illegal.
Yeah, it's cheating.
That seems crazy. But there's a lot of those things, man. And this system was set up by people, and people are flawed.
Right. That's a good point. Yeah, it's like nothing. No one's going to do anything perfectly. I don't know.
Well, it's not just that. Accountability and transparency in terms of like what's actually going on is way different now, because our access to information is way different now. Like, anybody can just sort of Google budgets and Google this, and you find out that, and you find out this about the Pentagon and that about this. Like, there's just, you don't have to look in the New York Times anymore.
Right.
You don't have to wait for the news to come on at 5. Now you get it whenever you want it. And that's sort of changed everything with what you can get away with and not get away with. So for the longest time, even though there's rules and the Constitution is set up in the Bill of Rights, there's been people that have had a lot of power for a long ass time without a bunch of people looking at them. And now more people are looking at them than ever before. And then you get this guy like Trump comes in like, FBI, they're crooked. Whoa, bro, what are you doing? You going to war with the CIA?
He's like that
so
drunk
crazy.
uncle, dude. Bro, what about Barron Trump, dude? There's no credit. Like, whatever you think about this election, the whole thing to me is fascinating.